gluten-free smoothie. This is going to be a mango flavored smoothie. So what you'll need for this one is 1 scoop of the Happy Whey vanilla protein powder. I'm using the vegan, but you can also use whey. I've got 1 cup here of coconut milk. I've got half a cup of frozen pineapple and 1 cup of frozen mango pieces. I've also got here 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for extra antioxidants and healthy fats. So what I'm going to do is put it all in my blender and blend it until it's really creamy.